Welcome to the Bearded Eagle channel. My name's Haley and I'm teaching you how to make a Dutch baby. You only need 4 ingredients, and those ingredients are milk, flour, 4 eggs, and butter. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 425 with the butter in the pan. Hang on, let's make this right. So while the butter's melting, put your eggs